Enabling traceability is becoming rudimentary to meet compliances, safety standards, and the foremost customer experience in this digital age. It aids food, pharma, and manufacturing firms to manage social and environmental responsibilities, enhance product quality, and alleviate the reverse logistics challenges. Achieving an end-to-end track and trace within the supply chain is time-consuming and expensive. It starts from source to end and involves various parties such as manufacturers, distributors, government agencies, consumers, logistics providers, policymakers, industry watchdogs, and there are no guarantees that all sources synthesize information in the same format. Effective traceability must be multidimensional. A solution that leverages the metadata approach is ideal here. UCBOS platform permits you to push-pull data from all parties, analyze and identify the faulty batches and lots numbers, execute recall operations on faulty batches, evaluate and execute replacement, recycling flows, and share incident reports for all involved parties.